Ne ene jatend riwruok mar adhula e pachoka Hussein Mohamed owacho ni kinde mabende nodonje apisi ane okaw thuolo mar medo bero chenro mag tuke e pachoka kamoting'o wechego mag adhula e pachoka kabende noloso e wang' jowi mar Citizen TV okinyi makawuono oyango ni nitiere omenda mabende migawo mar tuke oseketo tenge mar mondo gitiek chulo gope mabende gin godo kabende gibro medo bero weche mag tuke e pachoka.
Where will the money come from? We're already in discussions with FIFA to see how we can access some funding from our operational costs that come from FIFA.
The development fee?
Some of the development fee as well. So we are looking at a structure that would work to mitigate and to help us reduce that debt. We are looking at Government of Kenya, who have been very helpful. Ministry of Sports has been very supportive. Like now we don't have an issue with the national coach. In fact, I'm happy that I've not had any situation where the coach has not been paid.
Hussein okwedo mokalo weche mabende liekore ni kocha mar Harambee Starlets Beldin Odemba dwaro gweta kabende wacho ni Beldin biro dhi nyime kod tayo timno mar Harambee Starlets mar mondo gimed tugo e yo makare pachoka.
For now, we have Beldin as the national coach of Harambee Starlets. That situation has not changed, and they are performing very well in the Sakafa Challenge. And I want to just assure Kenyans, whoever the coach of the national team will be for Harambee Starlets or Harambee Stars or the youth teams, the federation's role and mandate is to give them total support, make sure that the environment they have enables them to perform.
Mani mabedo kelo giko mag weche mag tuke gi elak seche gi nyinga Roda Odhiambo.
Awinjo weche tuke e Radio Ramogi kar chuny